Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 27. How to clear soiled plates. Prioritize plate order. Pick up the plate with the most leftovers first, ensuring an organized approach to plate clearance. Left-hand placement. Place the cleared plate in the palm of your left hand for steady handling during the clearance process. Angle clearance technique. Continue clearing the rest of the plates, making a 45-degree angle turn away from the guest to prevent any food spills or accidents. Clear the plates onto the first plate, stacking them neatly. Tidy cutlery placement. Place the cutlery in an X shape on the bottom part of the cleared plate, with knives inserted under the fork. This arrangement maintains a tidy appearance and facilitates efficient dishwashing. Safety-conscious approach. Avoid carrying more plates than you can handle safely, prioritizing guest safety and personal health. Strategic plate placement. Place the cleared plates on the sideboard, ensuring it remains clean and organized at all times. Utilize service trolley. After clearing the plates, transfer them to the service trolley for further handling and dishwashing. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.